Alright guys,
Trying some mochi flavors.
trying some mochi.
And you have to rate it out of 10.
Do we both buy the same one?
What's black stuff? The more I chew it, the more it grows on me, but tastes like those sesame snaps that you get, like those little cracker biscuits. They're like sesame seeds and
Yeah.
like honey or something. It's not like horrible. What do you give it? 5
I give it like a
or a 4. I really
3.
don't like it that much. Okay.
Alright guys, drop in the comments. How's your day going?
Okay, this one's mango by the looks of it. A little chocolate. It took us so long to find these as well.
We were looking left, right and centre for these things. We thought they didn't have them. And we're
Asked a
like,
staff
shit.
member.
Staff member, she was like, I don't know if we got them.
And then I found them. That one's icier.
Yeah. Oh. Fuck that, bro.
That one's nice. Tastes like mango. It is mango.
Put flavor.
Yeah, that's good.
Alright, out of 3. But it's a different 3 to the first one because the first one was shit. This one was just too sweet. First one not sweet enough, I think.
Give this a 6.
Really?
It's good. I like it. Next, it looks like green tea. I've had all these before, but I don't really remember. So from what I remember, this one was like mid.
Hello, Bozo.
But they have a whole box of, they only sell boxes of chocolate and green tea. And they have a new lychee one, but it's not in the assorted pack. But so the green tea must be like one favorite one because they have a whole box of it. So I have high hopes. Certainly tastes like green tea. It's not wrong.
I don't think I like mochi, hey?
Mochi.
But that's the best. That's a 5.
Pretty good. A 5. That's all it gets.
I don't like it, but it's the best.
7.
Alright guys, if you're still watching the video, drop down a tomato emoji.
Why do you sound American? This is chocolate. Oh, I haven't even given them like a close-up of what it looks like.
Oh my god.
That's what it looks like. Doesn't that just look delightful? Okay, this is chocolate. This is the best one, I think.
I'm like nervous. So shit.
It's like an 8.
Oh yeah.
That's good.
I just don't like the mochi part. It's just chocolate ice cream with shit on it. 6.7.
Do you not like the texture or something?
Nah, it's weird.
One's strawberry and one is vanilla. Classic flavor.
Strawberry will be worse.
Okay, let's do that one first because you want to end on a high note. This one's pink. You can't really tell on camera, but it's pink. They all have different colors, obviously. They're like real strawberries. They should be good. It reminds me of when I was in New Zealand. There was this strawberry place, like fresh strawberries, like you can pick your strawberries, and they also made like fresh strawberry ice cream. So it's actually tastes really good. It reminds me of that.
7. Because that one actually makes sense. Like the chocolate and the mochi is just like a weird combo. The only thing saving that was the chocolate ice cream, but this like makes sense. I don't know.
I think I'd give it a 7.5. No, I feel like I still like the chocolate. No, I think I'd give it chocolate 8. Vanilla. Lucky last. This is how it comes packaged. Okay, look. I was craving mochi, but I don't know. I thought it was going to hit more than this did. I wish there's a new mochi brand coming and I want to try it, but they're not here yet.
Where?
To Woolies. That's why I originally wanted to get mochi to try the new brand, but they didn't have it. Okay. That's what it looks like. Kind of looks yellow. Ooh, this kind of looks so doughy and yummy.
Like a dumpling.
Yeah, it looks like.
That's why you like it so much. Ooh.
No. That's like fake ass vanilla. It's too much vanilla.
Yeah, it's
I think-
pretty sweet.
Ooh. I think
5.7. That's my third
5.
highest. Ooh,
5.
Take it back. I just don't like the Mochi, man. Alright guys, you've made it to the end of the video. Leave a big thumbs up and subscribe and comment for what we should unbox
I'm
and
making a
review
thumbnail.
next. Alright, comment what we should do next.
What should we try next?